Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to design your own customized page borders like this. So all you have to do, you will have to go to insert and then you go to where they have written symbol. You will have to click there and then you come down there, you click on more symbols. So we are going to use these symbols which they have given us here in order to create the page border. So how is that possible? Well, let us first begin to create the frame by coming here to shapes, and then we create the frame like this, and then we come here to shape fill, we say no fill, and then we come here to shape outline, we go to weight, we increase that outline to be thicker a little bit. So after finishing that process, then we go to insert, then we go to symbol, and we go to more symbols there. So I'm going to pick one of the symbols here in order to create the page border. So here I'm going to scroll down and then I pick this one here. Remember, this is the font which is written Wingdings 2. So there are many fonts you can choose from, but for me I have chosen this font here because it has some good images here. So I'm going to choose this one here, and then I insert and I close. So you can see I have already inserted that image here, but this image I have to make it possible so that it can appear on a page border. So I'll highlight and then I come here to word art, then I click this one here, word art. So as you can see, I have to scroll down and I find that symbol there so that I can bring that sign, and I click OK. So once I click OK, of course I'll have to come here to text wrapping, and I click in front of the text. So I'll have to minimize my page so that I position it in a location where I want it to be. So I'll put it there. Like that. And then I'll duplicate the same, and then I put it somewhere here, and I will change the color of this outline to be the same color as that one there, so it is like this. So I'll either change this color to be red, so that I change this one also to be red because I like red. So I'll come here, I put this one also red. The same apply to this one here. And then I'll scroll down here. I copy the same thing, or I duplicate, Control D to duplicate that one, and then I bring it down here. The same apply here, duplicate this, I bring it down here like this. So that is the border I have created. So in order to make this outline to be uniform to these ones, so I'll have to go to format, and then I go to shape outline, I go to weight, I go to more weight, and I'll pick the style here, which will look like that one there. You see, that is the border I wanted. So I have created that page border. So you too can create the same thing as I have done. Remember, you are used to these borders here, whereby you go to here, you will go to page layout, and then you go to borders. Then you are used to these borders here, this one here. So this is not the case. These are the type of borders which you want to design for yourself, not the one that you find that there already. So that is what you can do. And if you want to go ahead and do another thing, it means that you will go there to insert, and then you go to shapes once again, and you draw something here. This time around I'm going to put this one black, and then I click on black like that. I go to shape and I put more weight. So I'll go to shape fill, I say no fill, and as I told you earlier, I'll go to insert, and then I go to symbol, I go to more symbols. So I'm going to choose something like this, and then I insert there. So again, it is this font that I'm going to search. So I'm supposed to highlight this, and then I go to word art. I search for that font which is Wingding. So I click like that. So already I'm going to form a border out of that image. First I want to say no shadow, and then I go to here to text wrapping. I put in front. So here I'll decide to change this one, the color, to be black, so that I can now rotate it. I can come here to rotate, I can flip it to be like that. So I put it there in the middle, like that, in the middle. And I will duplicate the same thing, and then I put it down here. I'll have to come here to rotate. I flip it like that. Or if I want it to face the other side, I'll come here to flipping. I'll choose the location where I want that one to face. But since that one has faced, so I'll do just the same way, facing that way like that. So I will duplicate the same thing, come here, and then I flip it. Like that, and the same will apply to this. So sometimes you need to be creative yourself on how you can come up with your own borders. You see, I want it to look like that. So it depends with which direction you want that one to appear, or if you want to reduce this one smaller, you can go ahead and reduce them. So here you can decide to go to more, and then you go to style, you go to this one here, you can change it to look like that. So that is the border of itself. So that is how you can create a border in as simple as that, and then here you write some text you want. So guys, that is it. If you found this video productive and you want to subscribe to my channel, please go ahead and do so that when I put a video like this, you will be able to be notified. Thank you. See you in the next video.